and welcome to another edition of Mystery Puppet Theater. It is I, your host. Oh, somebody's phone. Can we turn the phones off, please? Everybody turn the phones off.
Yes. Turn.
Excuse me, Mr. Puppy. I need to go get my phone. I will be just a moment. You go away. Dog. All right, dog, say something. We got dead air out there. We're losing the audience. All right. Say something.
Welcome to the puppet show.
All right, now that we've got our phones off, now we can resume the show.
Yes, but you have to turn your phone off. Your phone's still on.
Excuse me.
I'll go get it. Turn it off.
Thank you, Puppy. Thank you for your assistance in this matter. Now, where were we? Oh, yes, we were about to go on vacation to beautiful, sunny California. What do you think about that?
We have to ride on a train first to go to California.
That's a good idea.
Let's go.
Put your head down.
We stopped.
Where's Puppy? Where's Puppy? Where did Puppy go? Is he in the bathroom?
Yes.
I seem to have lost my puppy
peed
friend.
on his,
Oh,
your,
no.
He peed on your hand. Pee.
All right, now that we're in California. Oh, I'm so happy to be in California away from all of this rain that we are having back home. Don't you, Puppy?
He peed.
There we go. There's Puppy. Thank you for joining me in California. What do you think of this beautiful sunny California weather?
He's hanging it up.
Where should we go first? Should we go to Disneyland and visit some?
Yeah, we should visit some Beyblade.
All right, let's go.
We stopped. There's all the cameras and trains and planes.
Put your head down.
Meow.
This was a lovely vacation. Wouldn't you say, Puppy? This was. Put your head down. Arma, put your head down. There. Thank you all for coming on this beautiful sunny vacation with us, and we will see you next time around for Mystery Puppet Theater.
Yes. Bye, puppy.
Bye.
You have to set your puppets up here.